Hey guys, today, let's furniture remove a watermark from a Photolab picture. If you guys want to go ahead and remove a certain watermark from the Photolab picture, in this video tutorial, I'm gonna teach you guys how to do this step by step. So please watch this video until the end to find out just how. Alright guys, so in order for us to do this, all we need to do to basically do this is to go ahead and download the specific photo that you have from the Photolab application. And one of the quickest ways for us to basically remove a watermark from the Photolab application is to actually go ahead and just launch the Photos app and launch the specific photo that you guys have downloaded from the Photolab application. Now in this case, we do have these few photos over here, and what I want to do is to basically just easily crop the photo so that the specific photo web watermark won't be shown. Alright guys, so this is gonna be pretty easy. All we need to do is basically just tap on the photo and enter the full screen mode and then tap on edit until you see this option. All we need to do is a tap on crop and then crop this small little part over here. It won't really do much. When you crop this small little part, could also go ahead and crop a small part of the aside as well so that the aspect ratio won't change. You could now go ahead and center your subject and tap on done. Once you're done, and you should basically see this photo properly cropped without the Photolab watermark anymore. That's all for this video guys. Thank always for watching. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys will learn something. And I'll see you guys on the next video.